Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a Chrome browser your default browsing on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and come to the top right here. Click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you want to do is to scroll down all the way down until you get to settings right here. Go ahead and click on settings. And you're going to be taken right here. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to default browser right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on make default. Go ahead and click on that. And if you click on make default, it's going to open up your settings on your Windows PC. And allow the setting to load up right here. It will automatically redirect you to your default apps on your Windows PC. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you choose Chrome browser. And for that, scroll down to the web browser options right here. And then what you want to do is to click on here. And once you click on that, different options here is going to pop up. Go ahead and make sure you select Google Chrome. So once you select Google Chrome, it will automatically be chosen as your default browser on your Windows PC. So by the time you go back to your Chrome on the web, so you can see now that my web default browser here now is Google Chrome. So if I go back to my Chrome settings right here, now you can see make default is not available again. And what we have right now is Google Chrome is your default browser. That's simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser on your PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.